In this video live stream, of course, is the weekend, and you know what happens every weekend. We do our weekly portfolio analysis for InvestDesk. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to InvestDesk, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news, updates, and forecast. My name is Syed, and we are going to take a look at how $150,000 in 2 months with our portfolio right here at InvestDesk. And of course, we're going to crunch some numbers moving forward, and we will see how Dogecoin and, of course, SafeMoon has been performing for the last week or so. So we'll do a weekly analysis, and of course, I'll crunch the numbers right here so that you guys know how we made so far at InvestDesk $150,000 in about 2 months. It was actually higher. I was running the numbers. I was actually trying to update the Excel spreadsheet. The price for SafeMoon was higher, but I think it just dropped a little bit. So we'll see what the impact is, because as I was doing this, it just dropped, right? From 4.5 to 3.0, not a problem. We still earn passive income, but nevertheless, we are going to take a look at how and our portfolio has been performing for the last week, both for Dogecoin, which is of course exponentially skyrocketing, and with SafeMoon almost stagnant, and of course it dipped a little bit. As we to channel, we are going to talk about our weekly portfolio analysis, and of course some breaking news in the development that is coming up both for SafeMoon and Dogecoin as we move forward. For Dogecoin, of course, it's the Saturday Night Live show that we're looking forward to, with Elon Musk being on that show and maybe representing Dogecoin as the Doge father, right? So we'll see how that goes. That'll be fun. I'll see if I can capture that for you guys also. But for SafeMoon, some exciting news. Tomorrow is the AMA meeting with the team itself. The CEO, CTO, and all these other individuals will be on that team, or I'm not sure how many, but that team, the SafeMoon team, is going to update us on the SafeMoon wallet, and of course other exciting updates that they have tweeted that they'll be bringing on the table. But that's how, that's the updates for both SafeMoon and Dogecoin. So it's a critical weekend as we move forward into next week. But more importantly, Dogecoin, of course, has been making news since yesterday, because the price kind of went up exponentially for Dogecoin since yesterday, and with SafeMoon, the price has been pretty much stagnant so far. So we'll see how that goes up, but I'm going to go ahead and, of course, talk about and crunch the numbers and see what happens, right? So welcome back, and that's how it is. So first things first, let me catch the chat here. Thanks so much. This is Alan Phil's aim. Thank you so much, buddy, for your love and support, for super chat, super stickers for InvestDesk. I certainly appreciate it. It makes me more humble in bringing my research to this channel. And of course, it's just bringing you all the data that I have. Tangible research, tangible data, tangible information. All right, so once again, thanks so much. Appreciate it. And we'll see this drop that just occurred with SafeMoon, as Alan is saying on his super chat, will test the faith of thousands of holders. Long hold, waiting for the AMA tomorrow. Much love, SafeMoon family. Moon safely. You bet. And that's part of the game, guys. That's how dips occur. And dips, remember what we always say here, buy the dips, right? It's a good strategy to have. So I'm not sure what you're gonna do, but hey, this is a cool strategy once we move forward, buying the dips. So yeah, that's super exciting. Appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, and we are going to dive into our portfolio. And let me switch to my portfolio here. Hang on, give me a second. There we go. All right, so there we go. Perfect. So we're going to start with Dogecoin. We'll see how the Dogecoin price is, of course, right now, and then we'll take a look at the SafeMoon price, and then we'll compare our numbers and we'll crunch our numbers. So this is Dogecoin at 36.74 cents. Not bad at all. So it's holding pretty steady, which is exciting, because Doge was at 27 cents right yesterday, so it just jumped up to 36.7, almost 38 cents. All-time high is about 44.45. So that's not too bad. That's pretty cool with Dogecoin, right? And the market cap for Dogecoin just crossed Cardano. It beat Cardano. It's at number 5, and I'll show you that too at CoinMarketCap, the rankings of Dogecoin. Now, let's go to first. Let me pull up my chat here, guys. Just give me a second. Perfect. All right. So I'm going to navigate to, of course, the price for SafeMoon, and this is the SafeMoon wallet that you see. And this is at, the price is 3036. You bet. So what we're looking for here, and of course, let me catch the super chat, super sticker, Arthur Edwards. What's up, buddy? Thanks so much for tuning in. And of course, thank you for your love and support for InvestDesk. Arthur says, 300 plus million tokens added to my account since March 28th. Not bad. As I always said, it is passive income. It is passive income. And yeah, holding is the best. I've always been holding. So thank you so much, Arthur, for your love and support, for super chats, super stickers. Wonderful weekend, and super excited for Dogecoin and of course SafeMoon as always. But yeah, thanks so much again. Let me get some more comments here before I talk about and crunch some numbers and see our portfolio. All right, so Low Roller, what's up, buddy? Did you cash out SafeMoon some profit? Not yet. I'm just holding. It's just long term. Everything that I do is just long term. So everything is here. In fact, you see it right here on the screen, right? Yeah, you see my SafeMoon wallet. It's still 27.6 billion that I have, and of course, I'm going to maybe later on catch some profit. But hey, I'm good right now. So my goal is to, of course, hodl. And that's the best strategy it is, because every time, even with a regular portfolio, guys, with the regular stock portfolio that you're maintaining, or mutual funds, or whatever it is that you do, it's always a yearly return. So yeah, it's a yearly return. So I'm going to hold as long as possible, and so we'll see how this goes, right? But super exciting news coming up, and it takes time, right? With the SafeMoon exchange coming up, with the SafeMoon wallet, and of course more exchanges that SafeMoon will be on. So we'll see how the developments goes. But the price for SafeMoon was at 45. It just dropped to 30. Not bad. A good dip, perfect dip, and that happens. That's part of the game. All right. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and, of course, let me crunch some numbers here. Let me show you the Excel spreadsheet that we have. And of course, first the Dogecoin. Perfect. So this is our Excel or last week numbers, the highs and the lows, and where it closed for Dogecoin, right? This is from April 27th to May 1st. And we know that our portfolio started on February 23rd. So it's a little over 2 months, right? A few days over 2 months. And the price where we bought Dogecoin here at InvestDesk was 0.0424. That was the average, 0.042 or 0.04, 0.045, somewhere around there, right? So that's my average. So I just put a number. That is the number I fetched from February 22nd date. And on the bottom here, you will see all these tabs that I have, because we are keeping weekly track of our Dogecoin performance. I've been streaming every day. So welcome back to InvestDesk. Those of you who do not know me, my name is Syed, of course, and I have a degree in finance, a PhD, but I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Yeah, I'm not. So everything that I do here is for my own self, and I share my knowledge and, of course, the expertise, whatever I have gained in my experience with crypto world. So, and like I always say, crypto is a crazy world. All right, perfect. So make sure you subscribe and smash that like button while you're here. Super appreciate it. And yeah, with the bell notification, that'd be super awesome. So let's run some numbers. So Doge price was 0.0424, which was on February 23rd. That's when we started our portfolio. That's when we bought Dogecoin. And the weekly high for Dogecoin, or for this week, was about 37.25. If I were to highlight this sort of, there we go. So that's sort of like the high price that I see here, which was on May 1st. If I were to go back a week, it's actually 0.4223, right? So either you sell, or you potentially could sell at 4.2, or you could sell at 3.7. So I'm going to use both of these numbers, right? But this is of course recent. So if I use 3.7 right here, 0.3725 in fact, so let me go ahead and enter the 0.3725. You'll notice our profits for Dogecoin, if you invested $10,000, is about $77,000. So it's 7x, right? Not bad. So I'm going to go ahead and, of course, and by the way, if you use 4.2 as a price, so 4.224, it'll be what, $89,000. All right. So of course, I'm not counting or excluding the fees when you sell, because of course we're still holding. Our portfolio is still intact. Therefore, I'm just using the raw numbers, right? So just the high level raw numbers. But of course, when you sell, there will be some fees associated with it, especially with SafeMoon. You'll have at least 10% or 10% fee that they will tax you with. 5% goes back to as redistribution among holders, and the other 5% split 50-50 lock, and of course to the burn. All right, so let's get back to Dogecoin right here, 424. So let's say we'll keep it the existing price. Let's say today's price, May 1st, for example, or rather, yeah, we'll use that as a benchmark. So anywhere from 80,000 to 90,000 is our profit, say, right? So I'm going to use maybe 77,000, just round it up. There we go. All right. All right. So this is our Dogecoin, and of course the highs and lows and the average high and the average low. I've also calculated those as 0.33 as the average high for Dogecoin and 0.28 as the average low. Let's check out our SafeMoon. Interesting. So a big dip, of course, just happened as I was actually, preparing all this. Yeah, I know, guys. This was at 4.5. Had this been at 4.5, our portfolio would have been at $130,000 or $40,000. It was actually. So it dropped to $85,000. Not bad at all. We'll take it, of course. And let me check the tokens here. So right now the tokens are about 27,626,487,000. Of course, they keep increasing. So I'm just going to highlight these tokens here right from the wallet and paste it in our Excel spreadsheet of SafeMoon right here. And we have, yeah, so 27,626,49,4943. So let's go ahead and enter this right here. So it's 27,626,49,4943. Perfect. So you'll notice that at this price, we purchased at 0.00000011. This was about 3.5 weeks ago. And our sell price, if you were to dispose today, which is 0.000030, right? So let's see if this adds up correctly. All right, what am I missing here? I think I'm missing a number here. Hang on, let me verify. So 27,626,574,416.66. Let's see if I can pick this up. All right, perfect. There we go. There we go. Sorry about that. I had one number missing. It was 27 billion. I was like, wow, it's not million, it's billion. All right, perfect. There we go. So this is the correct number of shares, number of tokens for SafeMoon that we have in our wallet. And of course, our purchase price was 11 with 6 zeros. And our sell price, if you were to dispose today, which is right now at 5 zeros and 3036, right? Because it dipped a little bit. Perfect. So let's use that. 3036. So 3036. Perfect. There we go. So about $80,000, and that shows correctly here on the wallet also with SafeMoon. So $80,000 for SafeMoon. And of course, since we're not selling, even if I were to sell, it will I'll have to pay a fee of 10%. So about $8,000 goes in the fee, and maybe some other BNB fee somewhere around there, but it'll be about $70,000 net gains. But we'll leave it at 80K right now. And of course, our Dogecoin profits, let me check, it's 77. So I'm going to go ahead and just enter here $80,000 for SafeMoon. So that's about $157,000 in profit for the last couple of months, 3.5 weeks for SafeMoon, and about 2 months, few days for Dogecoin. Now, of course, if the price for SafeMoon before the drop, this would have been, of course, $130,000 for SafeMoon, and so over $200,000 worth of portfolio, right? Which it was last week. So if you check last week's portfolio, it was over 200. So see the volatility of the portfolio, guys. It goes from 200,000 to all the way, down to $157,000. So yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy money going back up, going back down, and this is absolutely cool, right? Yeah, that's crypto, guys. That is crypto. So when you are looking at jumping into crypto, or if you already have a portfolio, my strategy here, of course, at this channel here is just holding, because as the project grows, hopefully it'll grow. And these dips are okay because whales are selling or people are selling or whatever it is. It's all right. Price goes back up, price comes down, and that happens to Bitcoin, right? Last week or a few days ago, it went all the way down to 49,000 and it's back up to 58. That's perfect. All right, so welcome everybody. So if you're new, just tuning in, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. That is super appreciated. We are doing a weekly portfolio analysis, and let me get some comments and see how's everybody doing over the weekend. All right, so let's see. No gains till now. This is, oh, well, let me scroll up. There's so many comments here. Perfect. All right. All right, so Daniel says better check again. SafeMoon dipped over 20%. Yeah, we just had a dip. Perfect. And this is super exciting, because moving forward with the tomorrow AMA, and we're looking forward to the SafeMoon team coming up and giving us the updates and see where SafeMoon is and what's going on and how it's gonna pan out in the next month or week or whatever it is, especially with the 30K audit. And this is true because every time before the meeting, even last week before the AMA meeting, it dipped, right? It was, I think it dipped. And correct me, you can always, if I don't recall correctly, but I think the price dipped, and then of course there was an AMA meeting, and then just next week it went back up. So with a 30K meeting, I think that's going to be a big news coming up anytime, right? Because I know their audit has been conducted. It's done. It's just a matter of the report coming up for all of us. But here at InvestDesk, our portfolio is about $157,000 in profit, which includes Dogecoin and of course SafeMoon, at the lowest prices to the highest prices, and that's really how it works. All right. But yeah, the more you sell the SafeMoon, for example, the more we get as existing holders, and people who hold SafeMoon are rewarded at much higher, right? So that's the idea, not in terms of price, but also in terms of passive income. All right. So let's see. Dr. Paula, hey there. Hey, how's it going? I'm doing perfectly all right. I hope everything is well. Kunal, welcome. Arthur, thanks so much, buddy. Ginny, Easy, all you guys, awesome. It's always nice to see you guys. Perfect. It's the weekend, it's Saturday. I'm super excited. And of course, with the Saturday Night Live tonight with Elon Musk, I'm going to try to catch it. If I do, I'll definitely air it live or just record it and get that out to you guys, or you can watch it, of course. But yeah, that'll be an exciting show. And with Dogecoin right at 37.38 cents, and let me just check to see where Dogecoin is quickly. Yeah, 36.83, not bad. Here's the chart. So with Dogecoin, you'll see the price consolidation, right? So that's pretty cool. So right now it's consolidating at 36.8, which is cool. So if the next pump occurs, if it goes up from 36.8, it's going to cross 40 cents. That's it. That's how it is. That's how Dogecoin has been performing for the last 2 months or so, over 2 months, because I've been streaming about Dogecoin for the last 2 months, and of course with SafeMoon for the last 2.5 weeks. So we know, of course, we know our patterns here that we've been keeping track of in terms of our portfolio, in terms of our numbers, in terms of chart. We also do a lot of technical analysis here on this channel. So based on what I see here with Dogecoin right now, the price is certainly stabilizing at 36.8, right? Almost 37 cents, which is excellent, excellent, excellent. And hopefully, if it shoots up from here, it will definitely should cross 40 cents. Just like there was a little spike up here that you see earlier on. This morning, it was a big spike from all the way from 36 cents, right? Yeah, it was somewhere here down here to all the way up to 37.26. So at least a couple of cents jump. And hopefully from here, where it is now at 36.73, if 2 or 3 cents rise up, then it'll go to 38, 39, or 40 cents. So 44, 45 is the high, all-time high for Dogecoin. And we'll see if it breaks that all-time high as the Doge Father appears on SNL. So we'll see how it goes. But hey, that's Dogecoin. I also covered another breaking news for Dogecoin. If you missed my short stream in the morning about the NFL players, right? The rookie NFL players, they are now going to be paid in cryptocurrency, primarily Bitcoin, but of course, whether it's Dogecoin, SafeMoon, whatever currency, the idea is that they are now going to get paid in cryptocurrency. So the adoption of cryptocurrencies moving forward in future is awesome, right? That is the promising factor for cryptocurrencies as more and more getting into the mainstream and working with it. So that's the idea with Dogecoin. And remember, Dogecoin, people were saying the same thing. It will never go up. It's a joke. It's a meme token. And it was, at 4 cents, 5 cents, etc., etc., etc. But that didn't happen. Boom. In just last couple of weeks, 3 weeks, we are at 36, 37 cents. So that's pretty cool. All right. So that's Dogecoin. I want to see if I can bring up, apart from the chart here or our wallet here, I want to see the chart of SafeMoon and see where it's at. So the price of SafeMoon is actually just going up. It's 31.38. So instead of 30, it's gone up to 0.000003138. So yeah, there was a dip, but of course there is recovery at the same time with 1.5 million holders. So not bad at all. So with this price, 3138, I'm going to go back to SafeMoon and change the price. Hey, so it's not 3036, it's 3138. See, that's how crypto works, guys. Yeah, it's just by the second you're gaining thousands, by the second you're losing thousands. Well, not bad. Well, with us, we're gaining anyways, right? Because we bought way earlier. So the profit just jumped up from 80,000 to 83,653. So of course, I'm going to say 83 here. Perfect. And if I add the 83 here, you will notice the total profits right now, as we talk, as we stream, as I stream right here, is 160,000. So $3,000 in no time, right? That's crazy. That's just crazy. So this could go up from 3.1 to price goes up to 4.5. This will cross 200K, right? And last week, I think last week when we ran our numbers on last Saturday, it was $230,000 up, or 250, or $250,000, whatever it is, somewhere around there, right? But that's what is happening with cryptos, guys. So as you add more coins, as you build or increase your portfolio, and you guys know already that I have, of course, other portfolios that I manage. These two cryptocurrencies are right here for InvestDesk purposes only, for us, for InvestDesk. So I do my research, of course, and then I invest and I share my portfolio so you guys can also be better informed moving forward. And that's the purpose of this channel, to bring you the latest research, news, updates, and forecasts. So make sure you subscribe and smash that like button, guys, while you're here. So let me see where we at in terms of the actual likes. Yeah, I want to see where we are. Let me open it up. Just give me one. Oh, perfect. So yeah, awesome. So thanks for tuning in again one more time. So make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. That would be so super awesome. And of course the bell notification, so you get notified every single time there is a new breaking news or something happening, because that's how we make our decisions. That's how we stay informed, right? All right, so let's get some comments here. Perfect. Let's see. Bitcoin goes up, so does altcoins. Yeah, that's true. And we know that Dogecoin is correlated with Bitcoin, right? So it's about, the correlation coefficient is 0.6, which means like a little over half. So if Bitcoin goes up, Dogecoin will also rise, right? Not bad. But with Ethereum, we've seen just the opposite. Just yesterday, we've seen the opposite. Yeah, so with Ethereum, we've seen, like the crossroads, like departing, right? So now Ethereum is performing on its own. So almost $3,000 for Ethereum. Yeah, I know I bought it at 1,000 somewhere, right? For 1,700 or 800, but it's almost 3,000 already. So it's not bad for Ethereum. So definitely have a look out. And of course, with BNB, it's over 600, 626. So keep that in mind, guys, as you move forward with other cryptos. So yeah. All right, so Jim, thank you so much, buddy. Appreciate it. Thank you for your love and support for InvestDesk as your #1 channel for crypto investing, research, daily news, and updates. All right, Jim, so you're asking can you share your Google spreadsheet? I would love this for my crypto sheets. InvestDesk, your #1 channel for cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much. I'm super humbled. Thank you for your love and support. And thank you once again for super chat, super sticker. I've already shared, Jim, this spreadsheet. So if you look in the description, you should have it. If not, if you don't find it in the description of this video, I will place the link as soon as I'm done with the stream. So you'll have the link for these spreadsheets. So not a problem at all. But if you check out my other videos, you may find them in the link description. But I'll place it in this video so it's easy for you to actually get it. So yeah, thanks so much for your support. All right. So we're looking at, of course, the weekly portfolio analysis. So this week, our total profit is $160,000 so far, which is not bad. And this is, again, this was actually higher than 220,000, but we just had a dip in SafeMoon price. So SafeMoon is right now at 3138. It was at 30, right? But it recovered a little bit, 3138, right? That's why the profitability also decreased, which is 160,000 instead of over 200K. But that's the exciting part, right? That's the crazy crypto world for you guys. And with Dogecoin, we know that the price is at 36, 37 cents and sort of like consolidating at this level. And hopefully with the next boost, it will cross 40 cents and back to the all-time high. If I go to CoinMarketCap and take a look at Dogecoin's market cap is $47 billion. It's ranked number 6 on this chart. And that's amazing. That is just absolutely mind-boggling to have Dogecoin, a meme token, a crypto coin, currency, people's crypto, right, at number 6. It beat Cardano, and Cardano is at number 7 with a 42 billion market cap, and Dogecoin is at 47 billion market cap, almost next to Tether, which is number 5. So I think with the next price jump of Dogecoin is going to be ranked number 5 on the CoinMarketCap ranking. In terms of, check this out, guys. In terms of the market cap, Dogecoin is at 47 billion, right? 47 to 50 billion. Let me show you something. It's really hard to take Dogecoin seriously, but Doge doesn't care. At 50 billion market cap, this means, well, the article says 40 billion, but it's at 47 billion, right? So the Prudential Financial, this is the insurance giant. That's, it's bigger than that. The Manufacturer Carrier Global Corporation, Dogecoin is bigger than that in terms of market cap. The Southwest Airlines is bigger than that. I mean, that's just crazy. Absolutely mind-boggling. So it climbed over 6,000% this year. And that's Dogecoin. So there is really no good reason that it should be valuable. And I'm just going through this article here, very interesting. Dogecoin has no apparent commercial or investment use other than as a conduit for speculative mania and the attempt to make a buck. Well, partly no, because Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency and people are using it, right? So yeah, it works. But pretty much, of course, as the price goes up and down, it also depends on many conditions, many factors, not just speculation, guys. And our goal here at this channel is not to speculate as much, right? We don't. We try to come up with tangible data, tangible research, so it's easier for us to make informed decisions. But Dogecoin, yeah, definitely, with almost a 50 billion market cap, is not bad at all. So Doge, again, is at 36.7 or almost 37 cents. And we have SafeMoon at 3138. And here's our wallet here. And of course, our weekly portfolio analysis shows that we are in positive gains of $160,000 for the last, couple of months? Yeah, couple of months. Not bad. A few days over. Couple of months, we're doing pretty okay. We're doing pretty well. And yeah, I've been holding since so far. No sales, no selling from my side. In the last 2 months, I'm just holding it, and that's my strategy moving forward. I could potentially take some of the profits in the extra tokens that we get from SafeMoon, right? So for example, right now the balance is 27,627,000,000 and so on. When we bought SafeMoon, it was at 26 billion, right? So 1.7 billion tokens are just added extra for the last 2 months, which sort of like if I do the numbers here, roughly is about $7,000 to $10,000 a month that is passively given to me right here by SafeMoon. So definitely my initial investment has been way recovered already. But yeah, I might take that, but I'm not sure when. I don't want to, and that's how it is. All right, so this is our portfolio. Let me see if I can kind of like refresh and see I get the current numbers. Yeah, it's 3172. Not bad. So I'm going to go ahead and, of course, change this. So 3172. So this is how it is, guys, right? We just crunch the numbers and we add the current price. So the profit is about 84,500. I'm going to go here and update 84,500. And the profits increased to 161,500. So you get the idea, right? So overall, about 160,000, over 150,000, right? In profits for Dogecoin and SafeMoon. Not bad at all. All right, so let's see. Let's get some comments here before I share some other exciting news, see what's going on. All right, so let's see. SafeMoon goes up. Yep, it's going up slowly from 3 zeros to 3-1 to 3-2. Definitely it will go up. All right. So Flada says this man said a profit 160 was not bad, like it was $5 or something. Yeah, it's not bad. It's actually great. Yeah, it is great. It is great, absolutely. Because the reason I say not bad is because I've been in the field for a long time. So to me, it's not bad, right? But yes, it's awesome. Certainly, based on the initial investment, it is phenomenal because, you know, if you invest like $3,000, $5,000, or $10,000 and you get $150,000 or $200,000, that's some serious gains for just one or two cryptocurrencies, right? So if you have additionals, definitely you may lose some, you may gain some, but overall, And overall, guys, I've been, if you notice or if you're following InvestDesk, you'll see that overall for the last 2 months, all these crypto coins are been going up, right? Overall, yeah, there have been dips and whatnot, but dips are good because it shows you that there's some correction and gives you the opportunity to buy more, right? And that keeps your average cost down. And this is the average cost that I've talked about always, because you want to be able to, like with Dogecoin was at 27, 28 cents. This is the average low, right? For Dogecoin, or it actually went all the way down to 25 cents a quarter. So right now it's back up to 37. So there you go. The gain is right there in just a few days from April 28th to May 1st, 4 months. So dips are extremely important, especially if you are an experienced crypto investor and you follow the technicals and the charts, and more importantly, InvestDesk, because I stream every day and I give you all the latest news, updates, technical analysis, and of course research right here, so you can make informed decisions. And so if you continue to do that, this becomes easier, and then you start to learn, and then you run your numbers more proficiently to get to those gains that you're looking for. All right, so yeah, these are the two cryptos that we have in our portfolio. So our gains are for this last week, 161,000. If I were to sell today, it will gain a little over $150,000, 161. But with all the fees and the 10%, it will be 150,000 net gains, which is awesome. Which is awesome for it was last week. It was $250,000. Last week it was almost $240,000. So it's just because of this dip that just happened a half hour ago. Our profits went down. Well, squeezed down to 161,000. Right. All right. So let's see. What else is going on? I shared some news, a little bit of news here. But it's Saturday, so Saturday Night Live is when Elon Musk is going to be on the SNL show, hopefully as a Doge father. I don't know what's he going to do. He's going to make a skit or whatever it is, but it'll be exciting. I'll try to cover that and bring that to you. All right, so we're looking at Easy's asking, what are the prediction prices for Doge and SafeMoon next 2 months? In 2021 and 2025. Is it next 2 months or next few years? I don't know, but we'll see. We'll talk about it. So if you based on the historical analysis, right, if you go back with SafeMoon 2 months, you will notice that in 2 months, SafeMoon gained quite a bit, right? From all the way from 7 zeros to almost 5 zeros. So 2 zeros were gone. And with this, we're looking at, of course, another zero, dropping another zero as time progresses with SafeMoon Exchange and other development news that is exciting. So tomorrow's AMA for SafeMoon, and it'll be exciting to see what the team brings to the table with the latest updates news, right? And that's super cool, right? So, of course, that may drive the price up a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how the updates are and how it works. So for the next 2 months moving forward, if the pattern continues, we will definitely see another spike up, right? We'll see definitely another bull run with SafeMoon based on historical analysis. And same with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is going to probably cross 40 cents, 45, or maybe 50 cents, even $1 in the next 2 months if the same pattern continues, right? So we're looking at, of course, doubling or at least 1.5 times more than what we have today. So that's what I see moving forward in the short term. And the long term, of course, if you look in a year or so, yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. Cryptocurrency, the entire industry is going to be a crazy mushroom growth in the next year or 2 years, because Visa, by the end of the year, is going to allow you to transact in cryptocurrency with USD coin using the Visa credit card. And of course, with that, we're looking at Amazon maybe getting into the game, Walmart getting into the crypto game, and all these even countries are coming up with their own digital currency. So the idea is that the crypto currency is the future moving forward for everyone, for the governments as well as enterprise organizations. All right, so Donna says, hey, Syed, hey, how's it going? Oscar, hey, buddy, what's going on? Why is SafeMoon going downwards? Well, because people sell. That's why it goes down. And if whales are selling, of course, the price will go down substantially. And of course, it'll bounce back up again. But that's how the price goes. And with more buying, will increase the price, and more selling will decrease the price. And that's perfectly all right. That's part of the game, guys. That's part of the game. Always remember, so if the price goes down, zoom out so he'll have a better perspective of what the chart is. And that's really interesting. So Don says, so excited with Dogecoin. I just bought a Porsche Cayman with some profits, picking it up Thursday. So grateful I got in under Australia 1 cent and has been consistently investing. So first off, congratulations, Donna, for your new Porsche. That's perfect. And of course, with Dogecoin, that's even more exciting because, yeah, it's crazy, isn't it, right? You're actually using cryptocurrency and your investments to buy something for yourself. So yeah, definitely congratulations. Send me some pics. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, that'll be super, super cool. All right, so Easy says, yes, I've read and seen Dogecoin will hit $1 this year. It seems like the way Dogecoin is moving forward with 35, 37 cents already, so it's not that far. And the year is way far. We were talking about even Dogecoin reaching 10 cents in about, 1 year? But in just 2 months, it went from 4 cents to 37 or 38 cents. So this is super, super exciting for Dogecoin. And likewise for SafeMoon, guys. SafeMoon is just 2 months or a little over 2 months old company, and they are just exponential growth for SafeMoon. But then again, it depends on when you invested, how much you invested, and how large is your portfolio and your strategy moving forward. But if you've been with InvestDesk for the last 2 months, every single day, we're keeping track of the price, we're doing our technical analysis, we're doing the market conditions, news, forecasts, and of course, research. So we make, of course, informed decisions. So tomorrow is SafeMoon AMA, so super exciting. So definitely we're hoping that we'll see another price jump tomorrow after tomorrow's updates, but depends on what the team is bringing to the table. But Dogecoin is, yeah, we actually seeing a huge pump for Dogecoin. Right now it's at, where is that? 36.67, right? Yep, right here. So not bad. So if you look at the technicals of Dogecoin, you will see that the technical analysis is a buy, the oscillators are buy, summary is a strong buy, and of course moving averages is also a strong buy right here. And this is because, of course, we're looking at Elon Musk coming on today's show, maybe SNL. That could be the reason. The other reason could be that people are looking at Dogecoin as, of course, potentially going up, skyrocketing in the near future. That could be the reason also. Which is pretty exciting, right? Which is pretty cool because Dogecoin is our baby. This was actually the first crypto we invested right here at InvestDesk, right? This is the first crypto. And then of course we added SafeMoon just 3 weeks ago. So Dogecoin, and I've been covering Dogecoin every single day, right? I'm in love with Dogecoin. We're in love with Dogecoin. InvestDesk is in love with Dogecoin. But that's really how it is. So our weekly analysis showed that we're a little over $150,000 in profit with Dogecoin and SafeMoon. So Doge is a buy. The technical signals indicate a strong buy, and of course, the oscillators also indicate a buy signal. All right, so let's see what else. This is Dogecoin, and with SafeMoon, let's see if I can bring up a chart here. There we go. So this is SafeMoon, and right now it's at 3.2, right? So it's a little bit recovering from 3.0. It's back to 3.2, 3.4. So let me go to my update. So let's do 3.2, 3.4, and boom. Of course, our profits increased a little bit to $86,000 for SafeMoon. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and update the total. So this is going to be 86,000. Perfect. So 163,000, right? So yeah, I mean, we started off with 155 or 7, and we're back up to 163. And as the price increases, the profits are going to increase. Not only the profits are going to increase, guys, remember, you get more tokens. So the tokens for SafeMoon, if I look at my wallet here, of course, will increase, right? It's going to be more tokens than I had before. So for example, if I had 27.6 billion, more people sell, this number increases. Yeah, it's always increasing, always getting more tokens, right? Adding to your wallet every 30 seconds or so gets updated. So not bad. So team SafeMoon is going to have some exciting news tomorrow with all of these new exciting updates. All right, so we're at about 163,000 in profits. If you take the 10% fee out and whatever it is, so it's still 155,000, somewhere around there, because I just round up all these numbers. It's easier for all of us. All right, see what else. There was another news. Let me check the Twitter here, see what's going on. This is the video that I posted this morning, so if you want to go check that out. SafeMoon Dogecoin rocket to riches, right? All right, so let's see. Let me pick up my notifications here. And let's go to profile. There we go. Where is SafeMoon? There we go. 1.5 million SafeMoon holders. Not bad. Super growth for SafeMoon in the last 2 months. So let's see if they have any new updates since we started here. Yep, we talked about the MXC exchange. Check out my video on that. And pretty much it, yeah. And of course, the team SafeMoon is thanking everyone for the kind support over the last 70 days. The voices have been heard. We can't get over what you've done for the project and crypto in general. So yeah, the community is certainly behind this SafeMoon project, and of course it's the number one crypto. SafeMoon as currency, new currency by the people for the people moving forward, and their unique tokenomics. All right, so that's the updates I have, and of course I also touch base on the coin market cap for Dogecoin, 47 billion, of course more than Cardano, and it's almost nearing Tether, which is number 5. So if it goes more than 51 billion for Dogecoin, as in terms of market cap, it will be ranked number 5. So yeah, not bad for Dogecoin. So super exciting news. Of course, more coming up later on, and I'll be sharing that with you guys. So keep an eye out on, of course, the SNL. Elon Musk is going to be on. I'm going to be watching. Hopefully I'll try to catch it if I'm not running around somewhere. But yeah, if I do catch it, I will bring that up for you guys. All right, so I think that's all I had for our portfolio analysis. So we did pretty well. Of course, we're still in profit as always, and that's super exciting, even though less profit than we had last week, because last week we had over 220,000 because the price was up. And with SafeMoon, of course, we see that the price probably will continue to increase from 313 because there was a dip, and there will be a rise again. All right, guys, so that's all I had. Let me check some comments here. What's going on? There we go. All right, so where do you buy Safe? Just go to safemoon.net. That's their website. I just showed you that. Just click on how to buy, and there are many exchanges. There are about 8 exchanges that list SafeMoon, so you can just navigate to any of these exchanges and you can buy SafeMoon from there. All right, Mr. Lava says, what's up, Syed? What's up, family? Perfect, awesome, nice to have you guys here. Today's, of course, weekend analysis, and our profit is $163,000 for the last week. So not bad, of course. It was higher because the price was at 4.5, so definitely would have been over 200,000, but right now it's at 163, but it's going back up, which is super cool. So Lava says, I'm holding 1.1 billion. Not bad. Super cool. Let's go, family. You bet. We are going to we're fully behind SafeMoon as a project, and that's really what we're looking for. SafeMoon to grow to the next level with their new exchange and with the NFT stuff that they're working on, with the SafeMoon wallet, the app, and of course we'll have some exciting updates from the SafeMoon team tomorrow. And be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, guys, and of course the bell notification so that when I run or when I air the AMA weekly meeting for SafeMoon tomorrow, you get to see it, because that's super exciting to hear these guys giving us the updates. All right, so let's see. We will talk about, yeah, that's all I have right now for the weekly portfolio analysis. So I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe to the channel if you're just joining in. Smash the like button. That's super helpful. And of course, the bell notification before you go. So thank you all for the love and support. And of course, have yourself a wonderful weekend. As always, wherever you are, whichever part of the world. If you're in the US, of course, it's 4 p.m. If you're in other parts of the world, awesome morning, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is. That's how we are. We are Dogecoin and SafeMoon family here at InvestDesk. My name is Syed, and we are your InvestDesk is your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates, forecast, and of course, we'll continue to cover this, and hopefully as the new developments come in today and tomorrow, streaming every day as always, you'll check back and I'll give you some more exciting news and updates. But tomorrow is SafeMoon AMA, so definitely I'll be covering that, focusing more on that. All right, guys, so thanks so much. Have yourself a wonderful day. Awesome. Nice to always see you guys here. Thanks so much for your love and support and super chats, super stickers. I will see